So you've fallen in love with the Bathroom Flexi, right? You're finding all kinds of uses that this is so handy for. I've actually started to call it my magic wand because it can make all the bad stuff disappear. So you are somewhat limited in what you can reach with this, right? Like you got the length of your arm plus the handle and the bendable part of the Flexi. So did you think that with just a quick little movement of this yellow part, you can pull the handle off and attach the floor pull? So get that on there the right way. So you just push it clicks into place, and then you push the yellow color back up and it holds it in there so it won't come out. So now literally you've got, I actually didn't measure it, but that's a long way to reach. So if you have anyone with mobility issues, I have a back injury. I know people that are having problems cleaning toilets because you have to get down to it, right? Like I don't have to get down to reach into my toilet now. So just don't forget, here's the quick, easy way. Just attach your floor pull and you've got a whole lot more length that you can use. So your magic wand can be even more useful.